Smartteck Black. Have water running through it. Turn it on so the unit can work out how hot the water is. 18, 19. Now you can notice it's set to minimum and minimum. Going to 22, so that's the temperature of the water. Now it's going down again. Now we turn it off and turn on the gas. Turn the unit on, both at minimum. (19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, minimum. The water's lukewarm at 28 degrees. Lukewarm. 29. Lukewarm. Move this a little bit. 30 degrees. Lukewarm. Move this a little bit. Get some more gas in there. 31. It's getting to be too friggin' hot. 37. 38. And it's starting to go cold again. 37, 36. There's a big gap between the actual temperature of the water and what's displayed on here. So I reckon these things are not worth the money you spend on them because they cannot keep a constant temperature. Although now it's proof. No, there it goes. 32. It's lukewarm. It's lukewarm. 32. It's holding 32 degrees and it is lukewarm. Try and get it up a little bit. Move that tiny bit. That's the gas. 33 degrees. 34. Now it's starting to climb. 35. 36. Starting to get cold again, I think. Right, okay. Stuff it. I'm just going to leave it like that. I'll plug the hose in again, see what happens. So now it's going through to the... And now it's starting to increase in temperature. 37. 36, 35, 34, 33, 32. Now it's dropping in temperature. Now if I turn it off and turn it back on again, you can hear the flame. 20, 21, it rises that bloody slowly. 20. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, no, 31. It's going back down again. Fiddle with the temperature knob, move it slightly. Is it going up again? No, it's still going bloody down. It's a useless piece of shit. And I've turned the gas off and it's still up at 35. Now it's going down again. Okay, turn the gas on. See what happens. Nothing happens. Pile of crap.